Welcome back. Yo! I'm back. And I got a new friend that you've been looking at.
Who the goddamn are you?
Shh. Watch out for those crazy eyes.
Crazy. Crazy eyes. Crazy double eyes.
Cuckoo! I know he's just a talking bird, but he can't talk like this.
What? Are you trying to feed me or something?
Oh, sorry, nope. One second. Yeah. Now it's time for the PDD shorts.
My name is P.T. Shirts. And one of my brothers is a toucan. Sam, he doesn't know what's going on. But hey, those are cool girls out there, are they? Oh, yeah. Sure, thank you. Thank you for fixing my hair. But look, I have those crazy eyes too. Crazy eyes. Crazy eyes. Okay, back to you, Sam.
Man, I got strange birds around my room. What'd you get down here?
God damn it. I knew it. You was spying at me. My eyes don't lie. My eyes don't lie. But I know what you're doing. Up here. I know you're doing, mister. Hey, I'm on TV. What the? Gotta catch those balls. Oops. Gotta catch them all. Pokemon. Hey, Pokemon. It's not duck season. What?
What? Duck kissing?
No, I said duck season. Instead. Right?
I don't know. Right? Crazy eyes.
You're over here.
Oh.
Crazy eyes.
Crazy eyes. Look, he can fly.
You're just touching me.
Oh, sorry. There he is.
What are you looking at? I know I'm toying. What are you looking at?
Look over there, Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Your games. Yep. I'm awesome nerd. Awesome nerd. Oops. There he is. Crazy apple. Crazy bird. Crazy bird. Gotta go. But you didn't. Well, me and Polly, we gotta go.
Adios. Adios.
Crazy ass. You can't get a little crazy ass.